We recently stayed at the Four Seasons Resort in Orlando, which is a Walt Disney World resort. And today we're going to be giving you a tour of our room, which was the Four Seasons room. It is about 500 square feet and it had two queen beds. So let's go ahead and take a look. We stayed on the 7th floor, and like I mentioned, our room was one of the Four Seasons rooms. It was 500 square feet and had two queen size beds. So the first thing you'll notice when you walk in is this closet off to the left. It had great storage space above and for hanging, nice place to put the suitcases. And not only that, but there were actually drawers below too. So this is probably the most storage space that we've seen at a hotel in a closet type area. So we were really pleased with that. The bathroom was nice and spacious. It included a deep soaking tub. There were also lots of premium quality toiletries sprinkled throughout the bathroom. There was a glass enclosed shower, and of course, those signature Four Seasons robes hanging up over there you can see on the right. In the room, we had two queen size beds, and if you look a little closer, you'll notice these cute little robes. These are children's size robes that are there waiting for you whenever you check in that have fairy wings wrapped around them. So such a fun, sweet touch for people traveling with families to check into the room and see those right when you walk in the door. We had a nice spacious balcony. Now we used this pretty much in the early morning and late at night because it was pretty hot during the daytime, but it was great to have, just to have another space to go hang out and get some fresh air. One thing that was really great was all the bottled water that they provided. They had plenty there upon check-in. They replenished it many times throughout the day. And if you ever ran out, you could just call and ask for more. So that was a nice touch. The room did include a coffee maker and a mini fridge as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please go ahead and give it a like and hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every Sunday, and we have many trips planned this year that we're really excited to share with you.